Hello students, we are starting with the new subject that is maths. In maths we are going to do that is Roman numerals. In no Roman numerals that when we were nursery and junior, senior, first we have learned how to write 1, 2, 3. Yes, that is the number form. But that now we are learning that we will write that 1 2 3 in Roman numerals. Okay, so Roman numerals is a number of characters that is you can see there is an example that how we write 1 in number and how it will looks in Roman numerals. So I have shown you 1 to 20 Roman numerals that you can see how to write it, and you have to write these Roman numerals in your maths notebook, and you should know very well how to write in Roman numerals. Okay, so what is the rules? So there is also rules in Roman numerals. If either of the symbol I and X, I stands for 1, X stands for 10, is written consequently टू और थ्री टाइम्स जो रिपीटेड लिखा जा रहा है टू और थ्री टाइम्स their sum total is the number they make. So what is it telling? If 1, if that I Roman I, that is the Roman numeral is 1, if written in two time, अगर हमने वो चीज दो बार लिखी in this way, Roman is repeated two times, so their sum is the number they make. So what is अगर ये दो आए तो how we will write in number form, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2, or if that is x, you can see this x, that is the Roman numeral of 10. So what is that Roman numeral 10? If it is written two times, so I have written two times what it is exactly in number, that is 10. तो मैंने 10 लिखा. What is it telling? Their sum. हम इसका sum भी बनाए. Sum means addition. तो 10 plus 10, that is 20. Okay, so this was the first condition. Second condition was the symbols I, that is the number 1 Roman numeral and 10 Roman numeral can be repeated consequently. वो repeated होते जा रहा है maximum time, that is more than 2, 3, 4, 5. वो maximum times 5 is never repeated consequently. In this situation, in this rule, that number 5, that Roman number 5 is Roman numeral is never repeated consequently, but the number 1 to 10, whichever number comes in between except 5, if repeated consequently, so then some number will make some addition. So there also will be the addition. So if this Roman number 1 is repeated 3 times, so I have written 3 times. So what will be in numbers 1? We have to put the sum also. The 1 plus 1 plus 1, what it will be? 3. And in the if Roman number 10, that is 10, 10, 10, that is 30. Okay, we cannot write 15, that is 5 plus 5 plus 5. It is not valid in this rule. Okay, now the next rule is when either 1 for Roman number 1 or Roman number 5 is written on the right of the symbol. अगर वो right of the symbol में of the bigger number, its value is added to the bigger number. For example, how it is showing, if either say 1 नहीं तो 5, if number 1 or number 5 is written on the right hand side of the symbol of the bigger number, right hand side of the bigger number, अभी ये है right hand side, this is the right hand side or bigger number of the right hand side, so this number will be added, that is 6. And for example of 5, this I have 5 and I have added 2, 5 right of the symbol of the bigger number, its value is added, so I have taken 2, so that is be 7. Okay, For example, the rest of the thing, the condition was that the first number should be bigger. अगर first number हमारा bigger रहा तो वो addition हो जाएगा. In the next one, the number, if the numeral 1 is written to the left hand side of 5 or 10, its value is subtracted. अगर the bigger number, if the numeral number, what is the numeral number? 1 is written on the left hand side. Okay, 1 is written on the left hand side. Only 1 is written on this side, left hand side, to the left of V, means 5 Roman number and 10 Roman number. The value of 1 is subtracted from the value of 5 and x. The condition is telling if only one Roman number is on left hand side, only one on the left hand side, and whatever the Roman number is there, then it will be the subtractive. Okay, so the above one was rule was telling that if the first one, the first number is bigger than the second number, then it will be the added. Okay, so the before that the condition was, the first condition was, if it is repeated 2 times, so it will be added. If it is repeated 3 times, it will be added, but except Roman number 5. Okay, this till much we have understand. Then number 5, to write the number greater than 10, the first group of 10 are written using 10 followed by the proper numeral of the for the units. For example, what it is written, more than 10 group means 10, 11, 12, that is saying more than 10, 11 group. 10 to means 11 to 20. For the first group of 10 are using 10 followed by the proper numeral of units. So what is it doing? If we add this more than 10, that is 11, 12, 13, 14, सो इट विल गोज एडिंग प्रोसेस. जैसे हम लोग ने फर्स्ट रूल यूज़ किया था, वही रूल होएगा इसमें यूज़, कि जो भी 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 है वो हम लिखेंगे मोर देन 10 ग्रुप्स और वो एडिंग में चला जाएगा. सो हाउ वी विल राइट दैट 10, then this separate, we will not write directly 13, we will split it in way that this is the 10, this is my cursor, this is the 10 Roman number, and this is 1 Roman number, 1 Roman number, 1 Roman number. In numeric form, how does it go? 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 13. So you can see that this 13 and this 13 are similar. This is in numeric form and this is in Roman numerals form. Okay. So as it is of the rest of this, now the exercise, write the following numbers using international numbers. International numerals means in a 1, 2, 3, in our way. This is the number of 5. Yes, this is the answer. You have to write in a numeral forms. Now fill in the empty boxes. Now it is written in number 3. So we have to write in Roman number. So we will write in this. Then we will write here number. In this way we will complete this box. You are a 5th standard student, you should understand it very properly, you are not a kids. Now next exercise is, write the following number using Roman numbers. I have written here our numeric form, that you have to write in Roman numerals. I have given you the table from 1 to 20, you have to see and you have to write, and you have to learn that how we write in numbers in Roman numerals till 20. Now this is the box. In the table below, this is a box and I have given our international numerals, Roman numerals, and you have to recognize this is right or wrong. The first one is, does it match it? No, that is wrong. Second one is right, we write in that way. And if we correct that first one, so the correction was this one. So this is the real 4 Roman number. This is wrong. 6th one is right. 8th one is wrong. How we will write 8 in Roman number? In this way. This is the corrected form. 16 is right and 15 is, this is the corrected way. Okay. Now your activity is take a matchbox stick. You have to take a matchbox matches का डिब्बी, A4 size chart paper. Arrange the matchbox stick in Roman number from 1 to 10. What you have to do? You have to remove all the sticks and you have to place it. If you are placing number 1, so you will place one stick here and one stick here and one stick here, and you have to stick into a start, and you have to do it in a proper way, and you have to name it. This is the Roman number 1, this is the Roman number 2. Okay, and homework is copy down all the exercise in math notebook. Write numerals from 1 to 22 times in math notebook. Okay, I hope you will understand this module. Thank you.